Hola niños y niñas, I'm so glad to have you all with me today. Do you know that doesn't have to be a special day to let someone you love know that you care? You can do it in many ways. A hug, con un abrazo. A smile, con una sonrisa. And even with a gift, con un regalo. You can get a card, for example, at the store. But it's more special when you make it with your hands, con tus manos. So, let's do it together. But first, make sure you get help from a grown-up. We will need a cardboard tube that you can recycle from a toilet paper roll, color papers, and third, paint.
Hola niños and niñas, guess what time it is?
It's toy time with Dia! Another fun day to learn and play and use your imagination. It's toy time with Dia! Let's start the show!
So let's do it.
First, you're gonna take your cardboard tube and you're gonna bend it into the shape of a heart, just like so. Next, take your colored paper and fold it in half, like so. Don't forget to crease the edge. Perfect. Next, take your heart stamp, dip it in the paint, and start to create patterns on the colored paper. Just like this. You can put as many as you want, but here we chose 5, or cinco. Remember to air it out so it doesn't get all over the place. Next, take your fingers and dip it in paint and create your own cute little stamp. Your fingerprints are special because they're unique only to you. Take your heart stamp, dip it in the paint, and create a pattern inside the card. Now you can do this with your finger as well and create all sorts of shapes or pictures. It's really all up to you. Use your imagination. You can create butterflies, or flowers, or a dinosaur. Anything really. In our card, we decided to put words, and it's for someone very special. So we put, I love, that's right, you! Don't forget to clean your fingers off. And that's it, we're all done.
Isn't it so much fun creating things together?
Yay!
Let's do it again soon. Make sure you watch the next video and remember to tell the special someone that you love them. Remember to subscribe, click on the bell notification.